Hey, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name is Tracy. Today we are in the bus, school bus, Skoolie. If you don't know that we live in a converted school bus and it's winter time. And I've got a friend that's always told me, you know, do it right the first time. And those are definitely words to live by. And I hate having to go back and do something right the second time. Well, maybe we'll get it right the third time. But the second time, we were actually putting some spray foam in this bus. Originally, I had done this this bubble wrap foil insulation, and really there's like 3 layers over here. And what I did was I just kind of stapled it here at the 2x4 on both sides, and there's just straight metal behind it, and that's the metal that's outside. Well, it's pretty cold. It did a good job. It really didn't transfer a whole lot of heat through the we just have wood paneling on here that's turned around backwards and painted, and then screwed to the wall. You know, I've always said I wish I would have spray foamed this entire bus, and I thought, well, I could probably get this done pretty cheap just by spraying some of that great stuff foam. You can get that for like $3 a can. Yeah, it's going to be expensive, but we're currently living in here right now. I don't want to have to pay a professional to come in with his hoses and draping it all over our carpet and have to be out of here for a while. This stuff, I've used it over the wheel wells and stuff, and within a day's time, the stink is gone. My technique has improved since I first started. You can see that it's kind of all crazy. Got a little better here, and then this is what I just did. And it takes a while. It takes a while to kind of get it down, and you know, the great stuff insulation isn't really made for doing an entire wall like this. It's more made for, you know, filling cracks, but it's really sticky and it sticks to anything, including your hands. So use gloves if you think you're going to get it all over the place. Okay, so I got that tank pulled out, and you know, it was a pretty hard job. That 65-gallon water tank or stock tank that we use for our freshwater tank in here definitely was a chore to get out. It's definitely worth putting that insulation under everything, especially back here where there's no carpet or anything like that, because it's just straight metal. It wasn't sweating down here on the floor, but it does allow that cold air to come in, and then it also allows me to get back here. So let's put some more of this great stuff on there. I'm really glad that I got to use this great stuff on the school bus. It actually did a lot better than I was thinking it would. You know, once I got the technique down, it applied pretty nice, and it hardened up. It's more of a closed cell spray foam than an open cell. It doesn't expand that much. I used about 28 cans in this project. At $3 a can, that comes out to $84. I'm glad we were able to get the water tank out and back in. That way I could go all the way around with it, got underneath of the water tank and on all the sides of the walls. I think that it will make a lot better seal, definitely, than 3 layers of that bubble wrap insulation. And after spending a few nights in the bus after we put it back together, I could tell a huge difference between the spray foam versus the old insulation. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.